Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience using the platform, are available in the description below. You're on the Rome Tips channel, and today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Finhabits Robo Advisor. Finhabits is a user-friendly platform designed to simplify investing and saving, especially for individuals new to financial planning or those within underserved communities. This robo-advisor prioritizes simplicity, financial education, and cultural inclusivity, making it an excellent starting point for novice investors or anyone seeking a straightforward path to wealth accumulation. With Finhabits, opening an account takes mere minutes. You can quickly set up automated deposits and begin investing in diversified portfolios tailored to your specific financial goals. A key advantage of Finhabits is its remarkably low minimum investment requirement. You can get started with as little as $5. The platform offers a diverse range of portfolios, predominantly composed of ETFs encompassing stocks and bonds, strategically designed to align with different risk tolerances. Whether your investment style is conservative, balanced, or aggressive, Finhabits has an option for you, managing everything from asset allocation to periodic portfolio rebalancing. Beyond general investing, Finhabits also provides access to individual retirement accounts, IRAs, making it a valuable tool for long-term retirement savings. Furthermore, Finhabits demonstrates a strong commitment to financial literacy, consistently sharing educational resources in both English and Spanish. This empowers users to grasp key investment concepts and gain confidence in managing their finances. Navigating the platform is a breeze thanks to the intuitive mobile app, which allows users to effortlessly monitor portfolio performance, adjust contributions, and establish financial goals. Finhabits charges a reasonable flat monthly fee starting at just $3, making it a budget-friendly option compared to many other robo-advisors, particularly for those with smaller account balances. Its bilingual support and culturally relevant approach make it a particularly attractive choice for members of the Hispanic community and others who may feel underserved by traditional financial institutions. It's important to acknowledge that Finhabits doesn't offer tax loss harvesting or more advanced features like direct access to human advisors, features that some experienced investors may find valuable. However, for anyone looking for an affordable, simple, and inclusive entry point into investing or retirement savings, Finhabits is an excellent option. Whether you're a complete beginner or simply seeking a tool to maintain consistency in your investment strategy, Finhabits provides a solid and accessible solution. For more in-depth information, be sure to check out the links in the description.